Just taking a deep breath in and breathing out slowly, connecting to your physical body, connecting to your beautiful physical vessel. And in this moment, just recognizing your soul presence as we bring your soul into the present moment, bringing your awareness, your consciousness here, now. And each breath, just letting go of your day, letting go of your thoughts, just allowing them to drift across your consciousness like clouds across the sky. Taking your awareness to Mother Earth, connecting to our beautiful sacred Mother. Breathing down through the kingdoms of the earth, through the plant kingdom, the mineral kingdom, the crystal kingdom, down into the heart of Gaia. Just feel that radiant sun within the heart of Gaia, feeling her love for all life, for you, feeling that connection, and breathing up her energy, swimming back through the kingdoms, and allowing this energy, grounded energy, to flow back into your body, grounding you, anchoring you. And taking your awareness to a beautiful ball of light just above your head, representing source energy, and using your intention and visualization, just allowing it to shower down white light through your chakras, through your crown, allowing this light to fill up your body, your third eye, your throat center, your heart center, your solar plexus, your sacral, and your root. And with your next breath, just taking your awareness up higher through the dimensions, and just allowing yourself to move up into the higher dimensions, the higher realms, until you can visualize an incredibly beautiful, majestic, magical, mystical land. Just begin to notice this incredible land all the way around you, and feel your feet on the ground of this land. You may feel the grass beneath you. Just feel the lightness, the wonder, the love, and the purity of this space. This is your safe space in the higher realms. Just inviting in your soul family to be present, and your higher consciousness, as we ask for clearing on all multidimensional levels. And as you walk upon this beautiful grass, it's beginning to move along this land, and in the distance you see this wonderful waterfall ahead of you. And this waterfall is in mid-air, just showering down light, white light. And as you approach it, feeling the purity, the light, the transformational energy of this frequency showering down, and allow yourself to move directly underneath this waterfall and feel the showering of white light clearing your auric field, your causal field, your astral field, your energetic field, just allowing these frequencies of white light to wash and bathe you, and clear energies, lower vibrational energies you may have picked up from your environment, from other people, from your journey, from a conversation, just allowing it to be washed, from electromagnetic energy of equipment, of devices, and allow this white light to also cleanse any attachments, any connections, any stories you have picked up from the mass media, from mass consciousness, from the fear vibration in mass consciousness, allowing all of these stories to be washed away, disengaging from the external reality which you may have connected yourself to, reflecting a lower vibration, and in doing so allowing yourself to connect from a higher vibration as you allow yourself to be cleansed. Allow it to wash your auric field, cleansing your aura with this white light, feeling yourself get lighter and brighter and brighter. And when you feel ready, just gently taking a step forward, emerging out of this white waterfall, and begin to walk along this grass again. Just feeling your step, each step, even lighter than it was before. And as you keep walking, ahead of you is another waterfall, this time a violet light waterfall. Just visualizing this beautiful violet frequency showering down, and allow yourself to move directly underneath this waterfall and feel the showering of violet light cleansing you on the deepest level, as we ask this violet light to cleanse through the physical body as well as your auric body. Clearing, cleansing, bathing you with this violet transformational light, transmuting all low vibrational energies into light, dissolving them into light, or surrendering them back into source, as we ask the violet light to also clear and cleanse any negative entities, negative energies, just allowing them to be surrendered into the God light. Allowing yourself to be fully cleansed and bathed by this higher light. And when you feel ready, just taking a step forward out of this violet waterfall, beginning to walk along this grass, feeling everything around you glisten, brighten, your perception heighten, your empowerment strong, your connection to spirit clearer, and allowing yourself to take each step forward. You notice a third waterfall ahead of you. This is a waterfall of golden light, and allow yourself to stand directly underneath this golden light, allowing this golden energies, vibrations, frequencies to shower through your auric field, through your physical vessel, cleansing, purifying, and strengthening everything it touches, awakening the golden energy within you, and drinking in this golden light frequencies of unconditional love, wisdom, to strengthen your aura, strengthen your inner being, your physical vessel, your cells, allowing yourself to feel strong, protected, nurtured by this vibrational frequency. And when you feel ready, just emerging from this golden waterfall, and as you take a step forward, feeling the gravity within you, a stronger stride in your step as you feel that empowerment, the source, the power within you. You're feeling clear. And as you walk forward, you notice a fourth waterfall. And as you approach this fourth waterfall, it has all of the colours of the rainbow flowing through, gently streaming. And as you allow yourself to stand directly beneath, allow these beautiful colours to gently dance upon your physical body, streaming, allowing yourself to be infused with the higher dimensional wisdom, love of Source, carrying with it the bigger picture, the grand design, the understanding of what is occurring, so you may participate in your reality, yet not be swayed and affected in such a way by any fear vibration which may be naturally emerging during this time for release, allowing yourself to feel protected, yet connected, interconnected to all life, and honouring your own vibration and recognizing the importance of this to birth this unity consciousness vibration through you to the planet, so all may benefit and move out of the fear vibration, and just allowing this to beautiful energies of higher consciousness to be infused within your field, as we ask the flower of life to gently spin in your auric field and hold this beautiful wisdom to remind you in your daily life. And in your own time, just taking a step forward out of this beautiful rainbow waterfall. And in your mind, just visualizing yourself putting both arms up into the sky and in prayer position, praying to Source above. Feel the grand sphere of consciousness above you, of Source energy, brighter than any sun in all existence. Yet you're still able to observe and see clearly. Just feel that love emanating from Source, descending, bathing, showering through every aspect of your being, and blessing you as you give gratitude to all life. And in your mind, visualizing your hands coming down to prayer position over your heart chakra, and looking down below as you give great gratitude to Mother Earth, drawing up her energies from this high dimensional state to allow you to feel grounded and earthed and protected and held and anchored here on planet Earth. And in your own time, bringing your awareness back into your body with each breath, breathing back into your being. Breathing in, breathing out, bringing in your chakras to a manageable size, drawing in your aura close against your body, feeling that protection, that strength from this clearing. And when you feel ready, just gently opening your eyes. Namaste.